Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can make yourself a survival paracord bracelet without a buckle. So you see here it tightens up and loosens, so you can put it on your wrist and tighten it to however you want. So what you'll need is some paracord. Got a green colour here. You want to get 10 feet of rope, roughly 10 feet. Grab the two ends and run your finger down to the bottom where the two ends meet, so like this, and then you want to make sure you keep hold of that end and just wrap it around your wrist, so you got a little bit left between there, so that's going to be your bracelet size. So where that meets, you're going to hold that and let that flop, and you'll want to bend the rope over from where the size of the bracelet is going to be, and you should have something that looks like this. So the right cord goes to the right, left cord over to the left, so you'll have something that looks like this. Then you want to get your left rope and put it over and across the hoop. Keeping this in place, you'll want to get your right piece of rope, put it over this bit of string here and put it under, so it goes under the right piece of rope, and push it round the back and through the left hoop over here. And that is how you'll want to create your style of the cobra style. Then just want to pull these tight until you reach the end of your bracelet. It's going to be rough for me, but make sure you're keeping that tight, pulling it so you keep the loop in the middle, so then you'll have something that looks like that. So now put the right and left string to the right and left, put them to the side. Now you'll want to do the opposite to what side you just did, so in this case it'd be the right side looping over, taking the left side, pushing it over the left, pushing it underneath and around the back of everything, and pulling it through the loop you made on the other side. And just pull these two bits of rope tight, keeping it all straight, like so. So now I'm just going to speed it up and complete the bracelet style. Okay, so now you've got something that looks like this, all the way down, the same pattern down. You should just be left with a small little loop like that. So you can use one of those knitting, I'm not sure what they're called, but you can put them on the end of here and you can push them through there. But if you're like me and you don't have them, you want to grab yourself a lighter. You just want to burn the ends of these paracord where you have cut it off. Grab some old cloth or some tissue paper and just pull them like this, like so it becomes slightly more sharp like that, so it can easily go through the loop. Do this to both of the sides that you've been left with. Just burn it off so it looks like that. Grab the cloth or tissue paper, whatever you're going to use, and just push it in like this. Create a harder, more surface that will go easily through the loop. So then once you've got this, the right goes over and through the loop, and just leave that off to one side, and the left will go under and through the loop, all the way through. So then you have something that looks like that. Pull them too tight. Well, when you make the loop, make sure it's a bit smaller, but just for show, just make sure you do one more there to make this loop as small as possible. So now, where you've started the paracord bracelet, you just want to pull these two bits up here to create a smaller, to make two holes that you just made there, but at the top of the bracelet. Let's pull them open. So now you want to take the right piece that went over and down, bring this and put it into the left side, and just push it through. Make sure you make the hole big enough. And just push it through and pull it through. So now you have one side done. And then just open up the second hole up here. And just pull it all the way through, like so. So now you have the start of your bracelet. So once you put it on, just pull these two as tight as possible. So now you have the bracelet. So now you don't want it too loose, but just loose enough so you can take it on and off. So I'm going to leave like that much. So now you want to hold where you want the maximum length and just pull it tight. So like the start, you're going to have to bend the rope over, bit fiddly this bit, and pull the right side to the right, and the right side to the right like that, left like that. So you have that kind of shape again. So now you just want to make two loops. The left will go over to the left, and the right will go under, like so. This, what we're going to do here, is going to make a stop knot or a safety knot. So on the left that went over the top, you're going to bring under everything, pull it through the loop, and the right that you put under is going to go over everything and through. So where you made it, you're just going to pull it tight, and that's your safety knot, so it will not come undone like the one that I made earlier, like that. So with this knot, once you're happy with the size and length of it, so when you open it up, you're happy with how it fits on your wrist, like that. That's a bit too tight, so you're just going to need to open it up a little bit and push it up slightly, so you have more slack for it. So once you're finished and happy with the size, just cut off that excess string that you don't need, and there you have a survival bracelet that does not need a buckle.